Now this is an opportunity for you to really let your personality and the personality of your kitchen really shine through. Now, there's all kinds of materials being used for countertops these days, and in some cases, two different types of materials in the same kitchen.
If you're thinking about mixing countertop materials, make sure it's right for the design. Too often people come in with magazine articles and things that they've read and collected over the years, and sometimes even their taste changes a little bit and they don't go back and cull through these magazine pictures, and they want to do it all. They want stainless steel, they want quartz, but no, they love granite. But I really like that white marble that's classic and that sort of thing. You want to make sure it's right for the design. It can be done, but it needs to be done cautiously. We have a job now where we're mixing 3 different materials. We're talking about Calcutta gold marble on the island. We're talking about a silestone Amazon leather on the perimeter cabinets, tying in the backsplash with, again, Calcutta gold tile. And then we're doing a table top part of the island that's going to be Wingay wood. Okay, now all 3 of these, work really well together, and the cabinets are very subtle, and that's the key here, is the cabinets don't have a lot of textural feeling to them. They're very subtle, very clean, and it works really well in this particular situation.
Of course, the look of the countertop is only one of the factors you'll consider when you're making these decisions. For most of us, price also plays an important role. On the low end, plastic laminate is the easy choice, especially since it's now available in patterns that do a great job of mimicking natural stone. If you're a do-it-yourselfer, ceramic tile can be inexpensive as well, but you'll have to keep the grout lines nice and clean. Speaking of maintenance, natural stone is one of the most popular high-end choices, specifically granite, but it too requires some attention since it has to be sealed every couple years to prevent stains. This isn't a difficult process, but it is the price you pay to protect the natural beauty of a porous stone. Man-made quartz materials are similarly priced, but don't require any sealing.